Are you looking to sell your house, but you have significant foundation damage? Listen to this quick tip. If you've tried to list on an MLS, you're probably finding it very difficult. I was called into a homeowner who asked me to come take a look at her house. I saw the foundation damage was quite severe. The house wasn't far from the water either, which made it even worse. And she had multiple buyers come in, multiple buyers make offers, multiple buyers went to contract, and multiple buyers were turned down by their mortgage company. So she's been trying to sell this house for a good part of a year, and every time she's hit a stumbling block. And the answer is banks do not finance homes or mortgage homes with serious foundation damage. It's just the way it is. They don't do it. At that point, you're left to either one of two things, either a retail buyer who has cash to buy the house with, or a cash buyer like us, a real estate investor, and we'd come in and we'd basically fix the foundation damage so then we can sell it to a retail buyer who can get a mortgage. But repairing foundation damage could be a lot of things. This house was near the water, as I said, it was in a flood zone. This house would have to be lifted. The foundation would have basically been removed and rebuilt. You can't sell a house at the regular price if it needs $80,000 worth of work before you even do any work on the house itself. That was just the work below the house. And then whenever you lift the house to put a new foundation under it, you end up doing damage to the house as well. So that would require another probably $20,000 or more worth of work inside, plus the normal renovations we'd go through. So it costs us $100,000 before we do any of the normal work. And she was trying to get regular retail price, and she finally gave up and realized that wasn't an option. So don't put yourself through 6-9 months worth of misery and disappointment and open houses and showings and so on if there's severe foundation damage. I don't know any bank, I'm not saying there aren't any, but I don't know any bank, I don't know any retail buyer that's able to get a mortgage on a house with foundation damage. My own daughter went to buy a house with foundation damage. She ended up paying cash for the house because she could not get a mortgage either. So that's my suggestion. Reach out to somebody like us. We don't get mortgages. We pay cash for the houses. We'll buy it. We'll do what it takes to fix it and get it sold.